It feels like when someone else yawns, you start yawning too. And it turns out, that feeling is real. Research shows yawning really is contagious. In one experiment, 55% of people who watched a yawning face ended up yawning too. But when they watched a smiling face, only 21% did. So it was not just tiredness. Seeing someone else yawn was enough to trigger a yawn. One common explanation is that when we see someone do something, our brain wants to mirror it. Recent studies also found that yawns spread more easily through sight than through sound. There are even studies suggesting that yawns spread more easily between people who are close. So some scientists think this may be more than simple imitation. It could also be a social signal that spreads from one person to another. We still do not know the exact reason, but that feeling that yawns spread around the office, it was real.